What's going on YouTube? Murderkiss back here, bringing you guys another E90 video for y'all. Super excited. Let's get straight in before I get ran over by anyone. Just joking. But guys, I hope everyone is doing well. Let me put my phone on the charger. Look at that sexy wallpaper of this E90. There, it's charging. Make sure it's charged. Anyways guys, I'm making this video as I'm going to the gym, so be sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel if you've not. My name is Murderkiss and I am here to give you guys some entertainment. So enjoy this video, sit back, relax. Let's just vibe out, guys, as I like to say. I am so grateful to be able to drive this car, guys. Shout out to everyone that make this possible. This car has really just made me as a person more happy. I hate to say it, a materialistic thing makes you more happy, but this car puts a smile on my face, guys. I mean, BMW, shout out BMW. They did such a good job with this this platform, this sedan. It's truly amazing. It's the ultimate driving machine. That's their motto, and I'm telling you guys, they're not wrong. They are not wrong calling it the ultimate driving machine. But I will say I do get weird looks with the GoPro. If you I'll just show you guys. Here I am. What's going on? The GoPro doesn't block my vision at all. I mean, I see completely, you know, forward and all that, even though it's kind of like between my forehead or whatever. But trust me guys, as much as I hate to say it, it's, you know, I think the weird looks I get from other people are just they've never seen someone do this, which is completely understandable. It's kind of crazy what I'm doing, having this camera strapped to my head while I drive and talk. But I have my license and I promise you I'm a good driver, so I just had to, you know, do a PSA on that. But like I said guys, I'm gonna go work out. Hope you guys are you know, treating your body and all that stuff. I mean, I don't know what that was, but there's some bug on the side of my thing. Like I said guys, positive vibes for yourself, for your family, friends, all that. Shout out Murderkiss community, my little Merts. I don't know what to call everybody, but we're gonna have to come up with a name for our community. I've just been so happy with you know, my opportunities and other stuff in life, and I'm here to bring that joy to you guys. I feel like we need more joy in our world, and I want to be one of those people to contribute to that. I'm so grateful for what I have and what I've gone through, all my lessons and all that. I am starting a new work kind of career. I'm dabbling into funding. I'm super grateful to get the opportunity, but I'm getting the training done and all that so I can be a funding specialist. So hit me up if your small business needs merchant cash advances. These are not loans from the bank. Our approval rate's very high. These are for everyone that, you know, that doesn't get really approved by the bank, such as vape shops, anyone in the marijuana industry, stuff like that. As long as it's all legal stuff, it's unsecured funds. So super grateful to get in that position. Hopefully that career will get me into an M3. That's what I want the M3 of this car. Getting the V8 in this baby, and I'm making YouTube videos on it, but it's my dream. And you know, I'm just so glad guys that I am able to do all this. I really am. I'm super appreciative of everyone watching this. You guys have really helped me out as a person, you know, just be happy with my life too. I mean, literally the comments I get, go read some of the comments I get on these car videos, and I'm just so happy with all the support and you know, just all that. It really makes me feel good making this for you guys and girls and women and all that. Very beautiful day today outside, as you can see. I mean, it's just such good energy outside right now, and I'm truly blessed to be able to experience it. But the car's been so good to me. I've unfortunately not been so good to it. It has some boo-boos on it, let's just put it at that, and I'm gonna do some YouTube videos on fixing it. But the headlight lamp, the casing on the outside got cracked, and I don't have full coverage on this car, I don't think, with my insurance. I will check after this video, but I'm just, you know, speaking out loud. I'm probably gonna DIY. It's not like the hardest fix. The headlight itself is completely fine. It had some impact damage from something, and there is a dent on the side passenger door that I'm gonna fix somehow. I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but either there's paying someone or I'm gonna do it myself. But I've done a lot of work to this car. This car to me is like a baby, basically. I mean, I've done the oil change, brake change, fluids, air filter, cabin filter. I've done some work to it, and with my hands, like these hands you see, I swear I dissected the car and did all that. Had to buy all the parts, but you know, in the end, I'm so glad, because this car has treated me so well. If you're looking into any kind of E90 BMWs, I mean, that's really all I have expertise in, or knowledge. These cars are steals. I got this for $3,500, and it is so much car for the money. I'm telling you, so much car for the money. If you can, keep up with the maintenance and all that. The maintenance is really not that bad if you do it yourself. But my 21st birthday is coming up in August, guys, and I truly want to be able to treat myself to a really nice birthday. And hopefully I can do that with this new career I'm looking into. It's basically going to be some work, but the funding specialist thing is going to be really fun. And I'm still going to be making YouTube videos, of course. This is my passion. This is my hobby. Hopefully, guys, if you just like this video and subscribe to my channel, this could be my full-time. If I get paid to do YouTube, I would love to do it with all my life, but I got responsibilities and bills to pay, and that I owe, that all that kind of stuff. So as much as I want a perfect situation, until that comes, I'm just gonna be making these videos, talking to you guys. But I'm yet to the point where I can do YouTube full-time. But I am trying my best to, make good content for everyone to enjoy. It's just been such a beautiful blessing to do this, guys. So grateful. And it's just beautiful outside too. It's so beautiful. I love how all the trees and stuff are blooming, and it's just all bright and happy. And it's already, my clock is 5 minutes ahead, but it's almost 7 and the sun is still out the way it is. It's just amazing. And I love the interior of the car. It's a little messy. I will do a, cleanup of it. But yeah, guys, this has been such a dream come true. I'm so happy, guys. And yeah. Look at this green light. I'm gonna do a little quick pull for you guys, and we're gonna, oh, gotta careful this bump. Put it into second gear. Goodness gracious, this thing pulls. That X-Drive system, baby, it just pulls you on the road and lets you go. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching this. I really do appreciate everyone's support. Love you all. Have a great rest of whatever your day, night, whatever. Have a great, blessed time. I'm so grateful, guys. Thank you for watching. Murdercus is out. Peace.